Hey guys, it's Takas here. Welcome to another test video. So today I'm going to be testing the SteelSeries Sensei Raw edition. So I just did a review on this a couple of weeks ago. Never got around doing a test video, so here it is. So today, the itinerary, really, I'm going to be testing acceleration, Z-axis, the weight of the mouse, the click of the mouse, lift-off, and really just the tracking of the mouse on different polling rates and different DPIs. So first off, the acceleration test. So what I'm going to do is I have this beautiful 5L here, and I'm going to start from one side of the screen and go all the way and see if I return to the same spot. Yeah, let's go quicker. Alright, relatively the same spot. Okay, let's go even quicker. So, or we can go slower. Yep, still return to the same spot. So no acceleration there when you turn it off. Next we have the Z-axis test, so I'm just gonna lift it up and down. So see if the mouse moves that off and it's tracking. So it jitters a little bit, but not too bad. So awesome. Okay, next we have the click test. So just you get a good sense of how it clicks. So it doesn't take too much pressure to push down, but it's not that light either. I'll show you the test of the Sensei. It sounds slightly more mechanical and slightly easier to press down. It has more feedback. However, this is not as much, slightly less feedback, but it's still there. It's slightly harder to press down. Oh, sorry, I'm out of ammo. Okay. So next we have the weight. I have myself here a weight that I'm gonna show you the weight of this mouse. So in general, I think it's just quite light overall. Yeah, if you can see, it's barely 100 grams without the cable. In comparison, I'll show you the Sensei, which is quite a bit, or not quite a bit, only 5 grams heavier. But for some odd reason, it just feels lighter. It just feels lighter, yeah. So that's the weight of this mouse. Next, we have the lift-off distance. So, lift-off distance is very high to begin with. However, right now, what I'm doing is just I'm very, very low, and I actually added mouse feet to it, like 0.5 mm mouse feet. That's why it works relatively better. But in general, the lift-off is quite high, so you really have to use mouse feet to adjust for that. Yeah. And that's it. So now we go on to the smoothness test. In general, really here I'm testing 125 Hz, 250, 500, and 1000 Hz at 2 DPI settings, 800 DPI and 2400 DPI. For the Sensei Raw, actually, you could set it at any customized DPI from 1 to 5001, I believe, different to the Sensei before, which you can set it to like 11,000. But in general, really, the optimal, if you set it to 2400 DPI at lower hertz, lower polling rates, it does jitter a little bit more. However, if you do set it at 500 hertz or 1000 hertz, the polling rates at higher DPI do become slightly better. However, I never really like high DPI anyways, but seems like 250 hertz or 500 hertz is the smoothest in terms of its tracking, especially at 500 hertz. So really you can just see for yourself, and hope you guys enjoy this test video. Thanks guys.